In this video of Technoholic Plus, I'm going to talk about how you can get Copilot, especially for those users who already have like Microsoft 365 subscription. For them, it became even more powerful. So if you do not see this kind of icon or whenever you are typing Copilot in your Windows 11, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how you can download and install it such that you can get most out of Windows PC. Copilot easily sync with your system in such a way it's going to help you out with the thing, but will also make sure that your data remains secure. Alright, so let's see how we can download and install it. I would say it is straightforward. All you need to do is you need to either visit Windows Store, which I would say is straightforward. You simply need to click on menu button and type store. And now here in Microsoft Store, I'm gonna look for Copilot. So let me type Copilot. So all you need to do here is you need to look for Microsoft Copilot, and here we can see it is already installed. Now there is one more Copilot, so do not get confused with this Microsoft 365 Copilot, because this one is Microsoft Office 365, now renamed to Microsoft 365 Copilot. Once you have Microsoft Copilot, then you're going to open plethora of opportunities to step up your game in terms of being more productive inside Windows, because here what you see is you can ask what are the documents I have worked on since morning. Okay, so it can actually help you out in understanding the document, and here probably you need to allow the access. And now once you allowed, I can see the documents that I probably have worked on. In this way you can also ask all different kind of things, like what are the apps that I have accessed in last 15 days. Now here it's gonna let me know. Either it can extract information or it's going to let me know how to do this. And then let's say you want to play with even better model, you can go here in quick response, and from here you can select the model type. So you have got quick response, which is kind of equivalent to GPT-4o. Then we have got this think deeper, again another variant of OpenAI, and you can think this as a ChatGPT because Microsoft has invested billions of dollars in OpenAI, so they are in a way using OpenAI technology. So here you also can see GPT-5 is also there, and the deep research, to my surprise, which of course you're not going to get this for free in ChatGPT, but here inside Copilot you have access to this as well. Now additional to this, when we click here, you can see there's an option of lab where you're gonna see ton of option that will further elevate your overall experience. So this was kind of initial impression and how one can download and install Microsoft Copilot inside Windows 11. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus for more such productivity content, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.